How to publish a book on Amazon KDP. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can publish your very own Amazon book on Amazon KDP. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm at the website called kdp.amazon.com, and over here you can just go ahead and self-publish ebooks, paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. So as you can see, it's a pretty amazing website. So let's get started. So over here you have two options. You can either sign in if you already have an account, and if you don't have an account, just simply sign up. And the sign up process is very easy. If I click on the sign up button over here, they enter in your email, your phone number, and password to sign in. But if you want to sign up, scroll down, come down over here and click on create your KDP account. And over here you just simply have to enter in your name, your email address, a password, re-enter the password, and then just simply click on create your account. It's that simple. So I already have an account, so I'm just simply going to go ahead and log in. And once you have signed in, this is how it looks like. So over here you can go ahead and start uploading your books. Now if you're wondering where do you get your books, well, it's pretty simple. We come over to this website called Gutenberg.org. It's basically a project, Gutenberg, where they have like 60,000 free ebooks that you can download for free, and you can upload them as well. So over here, these are some of the free EPUBs and Kindle books that download, and they're very popular as well. And then down below, if you over here, they have some special areas as well where you can, donate to other people, and you can have like recently added, or some of the top ones as well. So it's really nice, it's really good. So if I come over here, if I click on bookshelves, over here we have these bookshelves over here. But if I wanted to choose the ones that were frequently downloaded, so over here we have the top 100 ebooks yesterday, 30-day, and we have the top ebooks yesterday over here. We have all these different books over here. As you can see, the list is quite big, so we can download any one of these. So let's go ahead and choose crime, and this one over here, The Soul of Black Folk by W.E.B. Over here, this is the book right here. So we have the plain text files, we have the Kindle with no images, we have the Kindle with images, we have the EPUB with no images, and then we have the EPUB with images. So you can go ahead and download whichever one you want. You can go ahead and send it to your Google Drives, to your Dropbox, or to your cloud, or whatever you want, and then you have your bibliography records over here. So everything is pretty good. It's really good. So to download this book, just simply select the format you want. So let's say that we want the EPUB with images. We'll just simply click on it and just simply download that file. And if you wanted like more files, over here we have some more files to download, in the index as well. And then we also have the plain text files over here. So as you can see, this is the plain text. This is where the book actually starts. So we have all the entire book written over here, as you can see. So you can just simply go ahead and copy this and turn it into a document, and boom, you're good to go. If you wanted to create a book, all you had to do was come back to your Kindle, and over here you have to create a book. So simply click on create and you're good to go. So over here, this is the Kindle ebook, the paperback, the hardcover, and the series, right? So you can actually upload the Kindle ebook as well. So for example, like I said, if you wanted to download the Kindle ebook, we already have that. If you wanted to download the Kindle ebook with images, just simply click on the Kindle with images, and then just simply save your document wherever you want. So this is a .mobi file. So we'll just actually put it in the downloads folder over here in video, and just save it over there. And now we go back to the Amazon KDP website and simply click on the Kindle ebook and click on create book. And over here we enter in the title. So the title was this one over here, The Songs of the Black Folk. Over here we enter in the title, and now this isn't a series, so we won't add that. And where is the book? And this is the ebook number, which is the edition number. So we'll just copy that, and we'll just put that over here. And the author of this book is William Edward. So we'll just copy the name over here for this person, paste it over here. So his name was original name over here. And then we have contributors as well, so you can put in the contributors, but if you don't have one, you can leave it at that. And what is the and over here you can add like a description of the book as well. So basically it summarizes your book in a small format. And then you have the publishing rights. If you own the publishing right, you can go ahead and click on I own the copyright and I hold the necessary publishing required. And this is a public domain work, so you can choose that as well. And then you have your keywords. You can enter in your keywords over here, which will help you to rank your book higher when it is being searched in the KDP library. And then you have your category as well, so you can set it in category. So let's see which category does this book fall into. I'm not really sure. So we'll just say non-classified, or literally, we'll just say literary collection in African, and just simply save that. And age and grade number, so we'll just say that, 15 to 18 plus, maximum. It doesn't really matter. In US grade range, it's can be the same thing. I'll just put in the 5th and maximum 12th, whatever, and then public domain titles cannot be pre-orders over here. So if you wanted to pre-order, you make sure you have the rights, and then just simply click on save and continue. And once you've done that, it's all good to go. So then what you need to do is just, down over here, add in the hardcover or whatever kind of cover you want, and you're good to go. So over here, your book cannot be downloaded. All right, it's fine. Kindle ebook, ISBN, which is, optional, everything. And then what you want to do is just simply add in a cover. So over here, as you can see, this is the cover. So we'll just simply right click over here, copy the image, or we'll just save the image. We're going to go over here and we're going to upload the cover over here as well. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the cover creator. Over here, you can create a cover for yourself, but if you don't want to, you can upload your own cover file as well. So it's uploading the cover over here. And once you have uploaded the cover, you're good to go. So then all you have to do is just simply click on save and continue. And over here, you just have to upload the manuscript for the file. Just go ahead and find the file over here. This is it. And just simply upload the manuscript. Wait for a couple of seconds for it to be uploaded. Boom, there you go. It's uploaded. Then just simply click on save and continue. And as you can see, it's preparing your files. KDP is processing the manuscript and book cover, and it'll require several steps and several minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video right now, and I will catch you guys in a second. Or actually, no, it's already done. Sorry about that. Thought it might take some time. And boom, there you go. Once you have uploaded the content, the manuscript, this is how it looks like. Then you have to, add in the ebook e-pricing. So KDP select enrollment. So over here, maximize my royalty. All right. Enroll my book in KDP select. So right now it's disabled because, it is a public domain book. And then you have territories, then you have primary market, and then you can over here list your book over here as well. So select a royalty plan and set your Kindle ebook list, the price below. And so let's just say that it's $10 maximum. All right. And then all of the other prices are going to be, added equivalent to our $10. So over here, as you can see, for India, it's 765 Indian rupees. For the UK, it's 7.65 pounds, and Europe in Amazon DE, it's 927 euros, and all the other ones as well. So once everything is done, you can also allow book lending as well. And then once it's done, just simply click on publish Kindle book, and then you're good to go. Now I can't do it because I have some incomplete account information, and I can't complete that, and for some reason, because my bank account does not allow Amazon for some reason, there's like a dispute going on, so that's why I can't finish up my account process. But for you, you'll be done, and you'll just have to click on publish your Kindle ebook, and you're good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. That is how you do it. That is how you publish your own Kindle books on Amazon KDP. So if you have any questions, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.